slicing it.
What are you slicing?
This.
What is that?
When I worked from I was gone away from my home with my sister out in my home because I like that place.
Baongon. But that's different. That one was called cowpeas.
Cowpeas,
That one is Baguio beans.
Baguio beans are cousin.
Cousin? Okay.
It's green, but the cowpeas is brown.
Brown, yeah.
It's for eating. I didn't notice it was this. So we need to do it carefully. Let's do this. Not too fast. Not too just fat. Your babies will be fat. So like I told you, you never put a baby with you in the sample water and seesaw.
Yeah. So
Remember?
really have to mind the babies.
You know, my mom is almost gonna be pregnant. She's gonna have a baby boy, Twinkie.
Really? Who told you?
My sister wanted.
Oh, because you wanted and you wanted, so it means it's gonna be true?
You know, babies is true.
Babies are true?
And elephants.
And elephants. They're real?
Cannibals too.
Cannibals? Do cannibals still exist?
Yes. But in Sachi, the singing songbook, you want to see Sachi, the singing songbook, who loves kids and loves Jesus. And the bad ones do not. You know a story from Adam
Adam?
and Eve?
What about Adam and Eve?
Adam and Eve eat the knowledge of good and evil, and then they died. And Jesus said to them, "What have you done?"
And then what did...
The serpent said, "The evil, the God who God made it." But the school was. And snakes are true.
Snakes are true.
And tigers too.
Tigers.
In the zoo, I was not there. Only my sister and her friends. And then her friends was feeding the chicken, which had a long line. And then boom! He ate the skin. So she needed to buy an egg. When I was had a boo-boo, I remember I put Band-Aid. My mom said. And you need to be careful of your hands. You might have blood. See this? I cut myself, remember? So be careful of the babies. Don't bring your baby and carry and then... You know this? You put it far away and let your mom do it. To tell your baby. I have it to my bones. And actually, my dad always liked to play games. I also like to play games. So my mom said don't play games, but he actually did. But I'm not allowed to watch. It's only in 3 o'clock. That I still need to look. I remember when I was a baby.
What did you remember?
I just still that when I was in Baguio and still. I remember that. But I grew up, but out in my birthday I was 5 years old. But no one came there.
No one came there?
Only my parents and my sister.
Why is there no one?
But when I get 6,
You children to go to your birthday?
No, I'm not your children. This is my friends. You know my friends. It's Atiana. And the other name is her sister. Sorry. But my other friend is Atiana too. They're both the same. I had a brother too.
You have
Named Zion.
two. Zion. One Yana has a brother named Zion. And the other Yana is a different Yana who has a
Sister.
sister.
But my first friend, the cousin, just put my hair with Gia.
With Gia?
Only each week is the picnic. And you know, be careful of
Do you
the
like to eat the Baguio beans?
not yet. Only in school.
Oh,
And gulay is for eating.
yeah. Is gulay good for the body?
Yes. Not sweets. That make you sick. Remember, tell you no putting too much sweets in milk and sugar and your simple water. And hot cocoa. Mom. My mom is just beating me. And
Can I stop videoing now?
No. I was late. So you need to put another. So fast. I was too fast.
Does a person need to be careful when chopping?
Yes.
Are you being careful?
Yes. And this. And I need another. But it always. But be careful. Be careful.
Is it easy to chop?
Yes. And don't cut in your table.
You need a chopping board.
And don't ever hit you like that.
Why?
You will have it to the chopping board. And be careful of your babies. If you had a baby, don't be mad and it will cry. It will hurt your ears.
Can a baby use the knife?
No. We always play hide and seek in the sun. It's sunny. Not also in the night. But always be careful of your babies. And balloons.
And balloons?
The balloons will pop and hit your ears.
Oh, you know how to spell pop?
Pop and pop.
Oh, right.
And also be careful of this knife. This,
Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
just cut your hand in blood.
Blood? Is blood real?
What?
Is blood real?
Yes.
What do you do when you get cut?
They put malunggay.
Malunggay. Malunggay helps in healing. Does your mom help in putting?
Yes.
Is malunggay ouchie?
It hit my boo-boo already. But it's so good and eating too.
Malunggay is for eating too.
Only you can cook it like sabaw.
Sabaw.
And we need to put medicine if you're sick.
Oh.
Always.
Have you ever been sick?
Yes.
How does it feel?
It makes your head dizzy.
Makes your head dizzy?
So we need to drink.
Does it make you feel cold like that?
No, but we need to drink kefir.
Kefir. And what else?
And koala is different. So
Koala.
it's so easy.
It's so easy.
First, koala.
Mm-hmm.
You know how to make koala after sucker sings and go back down with water? It's not much at all. It's for the seed. Seed, not seed. I know I say seed. If you go to the beach, there's something which is much short and much powerful. Who killed someone? I like that ears, which is big. The people. And there's a something in the sea, which is in the shallow. And also, I can swim. And the back is with soft things to step in it.
The corals?
No. It can move.
Sea urchins?
Yes, sea urchins.
Sea urchins are real? Which do you like, sea urchins or porcupines?
I like porcupines because there's a baby too. It's cute. And cats is real. My sister had
I'll
a
have
cat.
to stop this now. It's
No.
11 minutes. No?
I just want to slice.
Okay.
I didn't finish.
One more
slicing.
minute, okay?
And
You can slice still even after I did not video.
you can slice this, but be careful.
Yeah. You can continue slicing even after I stop taking videos.
Okay.
Okay.
Like and subscribe. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.